Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix YouTube search bar not showing problem. Okay, let's start. At first go to your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on search. Search YouTube. Click on YouTube. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Click on clear data. Click on delete. Now back. Click on permissions. All permission is allowed. Back. Then click on Play Store. Click on search. Check update YouTube. My YouTube is already updated. Back. Then your phone restart. Okay. I hope you have successfully solved your problem. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.